Hi, welcome back. So in yesterday's vlog, we looked at how you could track confidential files within OneDrive for Business. Let's say users are actually using OneDrive for Business to store certain, business critical information. We were able to track them using keywords. All right, we would track them at least at to the user level. So to give you a list of all the users that are actually uploading files with certain keywords. Okay, in this vlog, I wanted to actually dive much deeper in and actually get to see get to see the actual files itself rather than the content itself. We'll get to the file level. Okay, so in yesterday's video, we used a keyword, let's say clients and projects and invoices and things like that to go and find if users are actually storing that information. What if you don't have the keyword itself? You don't know what sort of business critical information is being uploaded into OneDrive for Business. So to know how users are actually, what type of files that people are actually uploading to OneDrive for Business, even without having the keywords, let's see how we could actually get that information. Let's jump in. Okay, here I am within the Security and Compliance Center, and to get to the actual report itself, you need a service called Cloud App Security. Okay, Cloud App Security is only available for E5 users with E5 subscriptions. Okay, so for that, just within the Security and Compliance, let's assume that you already have the Cloud App Security, and to get to the report that to see the users. The user files within OneDrive for Business, all you need to do is go at a search and investigation and then go and select productivity app discovery. Okay, this is one of the features of the Cloud App Security. Cloud App Security gives you threat protection and few other advanced mechanisms, but one of them is the Cloud App Discovery. Okay, it just gives you a bit more granularity into the usage of the cloud apps within your Office 365 tenant. Right, within the Productory App Discovery, click on Go to Office 365 Cloud App Security. And that'll bring up the dashboard for the Cloud App Security in a second. So here you can actually see that now we've actually logged in, and you can create snapshot of how the users usage is being, the reports, security reports and things like that. Cloud App Security is very new, and it's got a lot of functionality. So the purpose of this video is not to track, not to show you the actual Cloud App Security, what it is, and to get to the actual levels of features of Office with Cloud App Security itself. Rather, we're going to actually concentrate on how to get that report that we want. Okay, to get that, you need to go into the Investigate tab and click on the Files tab. So from the Files section, you can see you have control on get to the level of to find out if you want to track a particular user, or in this case we are interested in OneDrive for Business. Okay, so let's go ahead and select the OneDrive for Business app. Here you can actually see all the Office 365 apps listed out in Office 365. Okay, so let's click out Microsoft OneDrive for Business.